Baker skateboard. Oh, my favorite spot here in
Look at those guys. They got
1, 2, go. Come on, let's race to the thing. Oh, wait, skateboarding. Kill it. In first place. They're killing it right now on the streets. Bing bong! Reminder, the skateboard course is for skateboarding. Out of bounds is not. Over. Number 1 goes to you and your team.
Damn, you
Round 2 is all about the line.
Yeah, we're better than those pros anyway.
If they've got that mojo going, they're gonna have this one just like the last one.
Get out of my way, man.
Oh, keep skating like that and you can take this round. A run out is when you don't kill yourself. You just did it. I like it. Oh, fuck, very upset. Big up to T-Mobile helping out with this contest. Good love, good love. Oh! No! Not contact! The boat record damaging. Getting into a real nice grind. Oh, he's killing it out there. Look at this skating. This is the reason these guys are blowing up right now. This team is killing it. Getting close to the final moments. Come on! One is a bittersweet victory for you. Round 3, T-Mobile says. The contest starts, go. It's all been decided. This next round is simply for fun and show. Oh, not a flaw in any of it right now. Number 1 spot early on in this round. There's no way I would have been able to put this contest on without T-Mobile. They got some good service, man, I'm telling you. My gosh, seriously, there was a combination I don't even remember half of it because it didn't end until like 10 minutes later. Burial heel.
Whoa, easy.
That could have been treacherous, like broken bonage, but he ran it out. Oh, yes! Your team is so stoked because you are at the top of the leaderboard. Yeah, burial heel, but I didn't get it.
Woo!
Oh, is that? I'm pretty certain of it, but that's definitely broken.
What is this, a joking match?
Time to shine! It's all done! For your team, you are at the number 1 spot. Yeah! Pencils down. Time is over. With skate. Rip-On Tower is one of Port Carver. All right, let's get this started. With all this to skate, there is no doubt that you are going to annihilate. Oh, looks like we got an early bloomer. people. This is a contest. This is not. This is shame. This is shame. Oh no, that wasn't one. Lean bear. I know people that don't like that trick, but I do, because I can do it. Hustling, kid. You're gonna win this contest. You're just gonna do it. I know it. Oh, contact bikinis, sir, or whatever those guys are. That was like a world record. Oh my God. Good flick on that burial flip. All right, last try. Round, if you skated good, then you'd be at the top of the leaderboard. Yeah, that's... All right, round 2. The competitors are ready to go. Performance was spectacular in the last one. Let's see a repeat. Oh, God, I think he tried to run out of it, poor guy. And at number 1, the legend after some pretty suspect maneuvers as of late. Solid frontside grind right here. Oh, goodness. Oh, you're going to need a bad operation.
Whoa!
All right, I want to hear that. Flip it, slap, catch, down. I don't want to hear. Oh, right up the crotch. Right up the crotch. I don't know if that was pleasurable or not, but that was terrible to look at. Okay, this isn't your local art gallery where you can wander around. Get on your board. You ever seen those things on TV where the guy does that thing? Yeah, get back in the course. You're out of bounds right now.
I knew this was gonna happen.
Ooh!
Oh my God!
A spectacular fall that might get him in the record books.
Whoa! I'm sorry.
About 10 seconds left. Let's get it going. Tickety-tockety, you are done-ity. Oh, I see a lot of names on that leaderboard. Okay, round 3. All right, and the timer started. Go. Last round definitely showed who's winning this. Let's have a victory lap. It's all you. Oh, holding down the number 1 spot early in the round. Well done. Oh, yeah! You're doing it.
Nice.
Holding down the number 1 spot right now in this contest. Oh, yeah. Oh, really? Oh, I just got a memo. They're selling boards like crazy. Oh, it's a man. Completely and totally and utterly. Woo-hoo! I have not seen skateboarding like this since the last time you won a contest. So keep it up. You're going to win this one. Doing it quite well with some really good tricks. Woo-hoo-hoo! Need a lot of flip, a lot of catch, but not much stomp. Just stomp them down and get those points, guys. Very few seconds remaining. Come on now. T-I-M-E, that's time, you and me. Let's check out who's... There's no doubt in my mind with skateboarding like that. No. for the finale. This contest involves you skating,
Yo,
so
change
go.
the music!
The world is your oyster in this skate park.
Yeah, that was tight. That was
Oh
tight,
my,
bro.
it's like you already knew what you were gonna do and you did it, and now you're number one spot. Plenty of time left. Yeah! Wasn't that mediocre and making... Oh, come on, we're all friends, we're all friends. That's enough. Stronghold on the number one spot, killing it right now. Oh, you know what else? Everyone's got your name on their board. Great burial. If I like that trick, if I can do it, one of the six. I can do.
Cool, quit breaking that concrete.
Skating like this, there's no doubt in my mind that you're gonna take this home. Check. Is the mic on? I don't know if the contestants can hear me. And, oh, definitely gonna need an orthopedic surgeon for that. Yeah. Step on those bangers. Time is
Shake it
not
off, man.
many.
Shake it off.
All right, I guess that's all you got. And good job, Top. With so many legends to choose. And it's time to get it cracking. Last one was good. Let's see if you got this one. Keep your game tight, because if you keep skating like that, you're gonna keep this lead. Pain is simply something in your head. Oh wait, you smashed your head. So yeah, it is actually in your head. Hey there, you're winning this contest. Yeah, that's right. That's your name at the top of the leaderboard. Oh yeah. Oh really? Oh, I just got a memo. They're selling boards like crazy. Okay, yeah, varial heel flip, it's a great trick when you do it, but no, you didn't.
Nice one.
Oh, pulls it out like a rabbit in a hat. Good job, Magiciano. I'm liking what I'm seeing. It's fresh, it's clean, but it ain't what I need to see. Skateboard contest, that's out of bounds, Paco. And freeze. Time's done. Round, oh, some good skateboarding got you to the top. Knee pads, wrist guard. And they're off. You're not a horse.
All right, let's do
Start
this.
the contest. It's done and done, but I want to make perfectly sure that the winner. Who we think it is? Maintaining right now that first place spot. Keep it up and you got this, run. Big up to DJ Watt. Oh, Chris Cole looked like his bandana was blocking his eyes the whole run, but he's still at the top. Oh! Ow! Oh, that was a scorpion! Oh, gets it! Well done! I can only do 6 tricks, but one of them is a varial kickflip. Well done! What, did you learn that from Betty Fairfax? What's that? Hey there, how you doing? You're winning this contest. Oh, you know what else? Everyone's got your name on their board. Under 10 seconds left. Bring out the bangers. if you... With the win, no doubt about it. Killing it today. Show...
Alright, it's time for a little harsher. Oh yeah, go. No arrest. Oh no, we got your knee pads on. You're gonna need them for this round. Woo! Dropping in right in first. Let's see if you can hold on to that.
Awesome.
Wow, good run out. In and up. Oh, surgery, knee surgery. I'm holding on first place. Time for a little hero worship. You know, they have few heroes. This one's a for sure hero. Ooh, wow! Damn, I just duped. Everybody loves a winner. You can be a winner. Just keep killing it. You know when you get the grip tape, and that's all you really need. Just a little bit of grip tape, not all of it. Save yourself some money. Buy a video game instead. That would be good. Isan, Shi, Go, Roku! Time's over, time's gone, you have no more time. And round one, look what? Ready, don't touch you, well, you're in first. Ah, this isn't the kind of play. No, sirree! Oh, it's on. All right, make my eyes bleed. Get out there, guys, let's see it. Checked out your avatar lately? You might want to check your avatar. It's getting dirty. Here we go. And... Ouch! Lots of pancakes! Oh, no! I got some winces on that tuck knee. Buddy, all up in first place. Alright, look at you out there. Super famous, on fire, and done everything. I don't even know why you're in this contest, but hey, thanks for showing up. Woo! Sniff. Oh, you got the point. You got 10 seconds left. Get it done. Done, diddy, done. It's over, son. Oh, big. Congratulations. If you need help spending that money,